What's up guys, Jimmy coming to you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you guys hit subscribe, make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. So as you guys can see by the background, I'm not in my usual recording spots. I'm back home in Houston. I mean, if you guys have been following me for quite a while, if you guys are new to the channel, this is where it all started. This is where I started recording YouTube videos, making reviews, and just really tapping into that creative side. So I'm back home in Houston working, visiting family and friends, but the content still has to come out. So here we are back in this little corner. So the sneakers I'm reviewing today came out, I think 1.5 to 2 weeks ago. They are a pair of Air Jordan 1s. They are a woman colorway, and getting right to the shoes, they are called the Lucky Greens. Here's the box that they came in, just your normal one Air Jordan 1 box, but rather than having the black box with the red accents, it's a red box with black accents. The tag is Woman Air Jordan 1 High OG. Colors are Lucky Green, Black, White, and Sail, and there's also hits of red on the shoe as well. These are a size 5.5. I actually got these for my girlfriend. I managed to hit on them on sneakers. I know she wasn't the biggest fan of them just because they are a little bit bold and a little bit loud, and for her first pair of Air Jordan 1s, like, she didn't want really this colorway. So I'm gonna try to scoop her up another pair, sell these off, and maybe try to find something else. But retail is $170, so total came out to be like $180 or so on these shoes. So a little bit pricey for women's shoes, right? But I mean, they're not like a GS or anything like that, so you're gonna pay that full retail price tag. And getting right into the shoes, here they are. Really nice in hand and nice in person. Even I myself, like, I'm not the biggest fan of the green, because how often do you really wear green in your collection? At least for myself, I don't wear green shoes that often, but the color combination of this is pretty nice nonetheless. It's basically the Chicago color blocking. But getting right into the shoe, you have a black outsole, then you have your Sail midsole, which I think is a really nice touch. I don't know, there's just something when Nike does like a Sail midsole rather than an all white midsole. I just feel like it gives the shoe a little bit more character, or it's just kind of different. Like, it makes it a little bit more different. We're so used to that classic pure white midsole, so when you see something like Sail, it just kind of makes the shoe pop a little bit more. And then moving up to the upper, like I said, you have a Chicago 1 color blocking. Essentially, it's not the same exact thing, but it's very damn near similar. The whole upper of the shoe is leather. Your swoosh is like this patent leather, so it is glossy. Your Air Jordan Wings logo is in red. Your mid panel, your toe box, back panel right here is white. The lining of the shoe is black. The tongue of the shoe is also black, and then here's the Nike Air tag. It is red with a white lining, and I actually have never seen that before, so I don't know if that's the first time Nike has done that on a pair of Air Jordan 1s. I know I haven't seen it before. Of course, they give you a nice little hang tag. Love it when Nike does stuff like this. It's just a nice little touch of detail, right? Like, if you're paying $170 for a shoe, like, if I can get the most detail bang out of my buck, I'm not gonna complain. And then here is the insole of the shoe. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's basically like a hardwood floor, just kind of reminiscent of a basketball court. I know these were based off of, I think, when Jordan scored, I forgot how many points it was on the Celtics, but that is the story behind these shoes. Really clean. Like, it would have been nice if this was, I don't know, there's just something about the shoe that kind of throws me off, that I'm not the biggest fan of. But like I said, it's not too bad for a general release. And on the back, that little tab, where it's just one solid color that matches this back panel, it has red, white, and red. I'm not too sure exactly what that stands for. I don't know if it's because those Celtics versus Bulls, but you have that little touch of detail right there. So I mean, yeah, that's gonna wrap up the review, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes down below. For myself, well, let's see, they came with black laces, and I think the spare laces is a pair of red and green laces. I think these might be pretty dope with either white laces, or if you buy them from like some IG marketplace where you can get some Sail laces, I think that would make the shoe look pretty good as well. So that's what I would do. I think if I had these for personal and I was gonna wear them, I would take out the black laces, not even mess with the red or green laces, and buy some extra laces that are the Sail color, and I think that would make the shoe pop a lot more. Resale on these isn't too bad. I don't know if price on these is gonna go up. Price of Air Jordan 1s are always expected to go up, but that's not always the case. Oh, another touch of detail I forgot to mention is these little flaps. They they're not sewn on all the way, which I think might be the first time this has also been done on a 1. The Rookie of the Years have it to where like this whole whole flap comes off, kind of like the Nike Dunk SB highs or like the Nike Dunk in general, at least the high tops. It seems like Nike is experimenting with materials, sewing, you know, like they can only do so much with the Air Jordan 1, so it's nice to see that they are kind of trying to switch things up. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the shoes. Would you guys cop them for yourself? You know, is your girl interested in them? Is your significant other interested in them? Personally, for myself, I wasn't interested. My girlfriend wasn't interested. So we're going to be getting rid of these. And yeah, that's going to wrap it up, you guys. So, you know, like I said, I have more reviews coming, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.